Hey peeps, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're going to be having a look at a Natural Sciences Life and Living Grade 9 question taken from the November 2013 ECE question paper. Let's dive straight in. We're going to be answering question 3 in that question paper, which has 5-part questions, okay? Now this question is based on the heart or the circulatory system. Let's have a look. It says the heart is made up of two pumps located side by side. Now let's keep in mind that we're talking about the left and right ventricles of the heart. These are the two pumps that are located side by side. The left side is responsible for oxygenated blood and the right side is responsible for deoxygenated blood. I've just shortened it to O and DO so we can keep that in mind. Okay, let's move on. One side pumps blood to the head and body. So 3.1, the answer is body, and the other side pumps blood to the lungs. Okay. The two pumps are closely joined together and pump with exactly the same rhythm without allowing the blood to cross from one side to the other. Pretty clever system. The heart pumps blood out of its right-hand side along an artery to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood collects oxygen from the air that you breathe in. The blood goes back along another artery to the heart, this time into the left-hand side of the heart. Alright, so just remember that the left side is for oxygenated and the right side deoxygenated blood, and you'll be good to go. So that's that for question 3. But before I go, I'd like to say a special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. Also, be sure to head over to our website and check out more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with the personalized video just for you. Till the next time, stay epic.